Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets during Big Billion Days sale, so they are asking me about the price of various tablets. Today in this video I will talk about the 3 tablets that you can buy under rupees 20,000 during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale, and also I will tell you about 3 tablets under rupees 30,000 rupees. If you go by the current price, you will see that the tablets which are available at a price point of 30,000 or 25,000 rupees will be under 20,000 rupees during BBD sale, and the tablets which are selling at 35 or so will actually be available under 30,000 rupees. But you have to keep ready credit cards. A lot of users actually don't have credit cards, so they are asking about the price without credit card offer. Look, if you don't have credit cards, it will be a problem for you because you will have to pay around 3 to 4,000 rupees extra if you don't have any credit card. So I would suggest you to make credit cards or manage some credit cards from your friends or family members. Even some shopkeeper give credit cards at an exchange of 500 rupees or so. Now the tablets which you can buy well under 20,000 rupees is Poco Pad 5G. This is a newly launched tablet and you can buy this tablet at around 18,000 rupees with credit card offers during Big Billion Days sale. This is a very good tablet, but it has one drawback. The battery backup of this tablet is not so good. So you have to manage about the battery life. Other than battery life, the display, quad speakers and the software experience of this tablet is excellent. The second tablet that you can buy under rupees 20,000 is Redmi Pad Pro. This is also a very good brand. Actually, it is a similar product like Poco Pad 5G. So if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case you have to pay around 18,000 rupees during offers in Big Billion Days sale. The next tablet that you can buy under rupees 20,000 is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and FE Plus. Actually, current price of S9 FE Plus is much higher, so a lot of users will ask me that it is not possible to get this device under rupees 20,000 rupees. I would suggest you to wait for few days and you can see that actually Tab S9 FE Plus will be available under 20,000 rupees. A lot of users have already bought it at 19,000 rupees at the start of GOAT sale. Tab S9 FE Plus is a great device. It has good battery backup, a large display, S Pen in the box and Samsung's brand value. The first tablet that you can buy under rupees 30,000 is iPad 10th generation. Though the current price of iPad 10th generation is about 34,000 rupees, during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale, the price of iPad 10th generation will definitely come down and you can buy this tablet at around 22,000 rupees using credit card offers. I have made many videos on iPad 10th generation, so if you want to know more about iPad 10th generation and the note-taking experience, you can check out the channel. The second tablet that you can buy under rupees 30,000 is Oneplus Pad 2. The price of Oneplus Pad 2 for the 128GB version is about 36,000 rupees. During launch offers, it was available at 33,000 rupees. So in Big Billion Days sale, you will definitely get OnePlus Pad 2 at around 30k price point for the 128GB version. OnePlus Pad 2 is an excellent device. You can definitely buy this tablet as it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The next tablet that you can buy is OnePlus Pad. For the 256GB version, you will get a very good discount on Flipkart in Big Billion Days sale. So let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy during Amazon Great Indian Festival or Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please share this video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.